This is by far the fastest way to form your LLC. They take out the hassles of waiting weeks to months of getting your business formed. Also, they have a very simple application where you can fill out the information about your business in 5 to 10 minutes and then be done with it. They will handle the rest. And so this company was formed in 2017. And although they have a small team, they have been able to compete with big companies like LegalZoom. And it's because of their filing speed. Surveys have shown that the number 2 most important quality in business formation companies is that they are able to form the business quickly. And so I'm gonna walk you through the pros and the cons of forming your business. Plus, I'm gonna talk about a special offering where you can get $100 off. And so I have been able to condense hours of research into this video for you. And so just an overall benefit of forming your business with BetterLegal is that you don't have to worry about filing business paperwork with your state or with the IRS. It can be a very complicated and lengthy process. And so they take the hassle and worry off your plate so that you can spend it on your business rather than on a bunch of complicated paperwork. And so they are able to do this by offering same-day filing. So within 24 hours, they're gonna file your business paperwork. And then within 2 business days, they're gonna give you those official business documents back. If you're wondering, what are all the documents I need for my business? I'm gonna talk about that in just a bit. What's great about BetterLegal is that these quick filing times is a part of their standard package. You don't have to pay more for it. The second benefit is that BetterLegal has a flat price. I know when I was in my business search, a bunch of companies had 3, 4, 5 different packages, as well as a bunch of add-ons. And I know how complicated that can get. And so if you just want a very straightforward one package offering, then BetterLegal is a great option to go with. The third pro about BetterLegal is that they have really good customer reviews. I know when I want to buy a product, I want to make sure they have solid reviews. And on Trustpilot, they have 4.7 stars out of 5 stars. Customers rave about the speed in which they have their LLC formed, as well as how quick the application is. It doesn't take a lot of your time to give them the information they need to get your business formed. And third, the pricing was straightforward. And so if those 3 things touch on what's most important to you when buying a product or service, then BetterLegal is a really good option to consider. And so let's touch on the cons now. And for the top con, they have a very limited customer service team. They do have a chat bot that you can reach out to if you have any questions, but it's going to be difficult getting a person on the phone. And so if you're the type that likes to ask a lot of questions like I do, then this might not be the best business formation company to go with. And so if you are looking for other options, you can check out the playlist right here. And so for the second con, registered agent services aren't included in their one package. And so every LLC will need a registered agent, which is a person that handles legal and official paperwork for the business. So let's jump real quick into the prices. And so if you look here, you can see that BetterLegal offers 2 formation packages, one for LLC formation and another one to form a corporation. They're both priced at $299 plus state fees. It can be as expensive as Massachusetts, which charges $500, or as affordable as Kentucky, which just charges $40 to form your LLC in that state. And so what's included in these services is the filing type, which for an LLC is the Articles of Organization, which is a very fancy piece of paperwork that says that your business has been officially formed with your state. And then you also have the EIN, which is the tax ID, or basically the social security card number for your business. And they also include additional documents like your operating agreement, which explains how your business will operate, and a banking resolution template, which will help you open up a business bank account. And so those are necessary forms for your business, but they do offer additional add-ons within the package, like a website, tax analysis, and an insurance evaluation. And so that's within their standard $299 package. And so if you're like, BetterLegal is my cup of tea, I want to go with them, then linked below is a $100 off coupon. And I know when first starting off your business, it feels really good when you can find some cost savings. And so I'm making sure that I'm able to hook y'all up. Before y'all run over to BetterLegal to get your business formed, I do want to mention 2 reoccurring services that BetterLegal offers. And so they charge $90 a year for registered agent services and for annual compliance. I didn't get a chance to touch on the annual compliance part, but basically what that is that they help you file paperwork that is required for your state every year. And so if you don't file this annual paperwork, your business could be deemed non-compliant by the state, and they have the right to shut your business down. And so we definitely don't want that to happen. And so having a registered agent and having annual compliance is very important, and you can choose to pay for a business to do it or do it yourself. But regardless, this designation and paperwork needs to be taken care of. I know this was valuable content. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions at all. I am here for you, I am rooting for you, and I know in 2023, we're gonna get this business started and flourishing. Peace, stay building, bye.